Happy Monday, everybody. It's Dr. Matt with Full Potential Chiropractic. I just want to thank everybody that keeps bringing the presents. We got a few more tags left on the tree. Come in, whether you're a practice member or not, definitely feel free to take one. I know there's a couple trees around the community here, one at Fusion Fitness here, and I think one at the church as well. So definitely let's continue to help out the community. Make sure everybody have a wonderful Christmas. Ramping up to our healthy eating workshop at the end of the month. Dr. Lee should be going over different tips and tricks on how to stay healthy, especially going through the holiday season. After the holidays, what do we do to get back on track? Rolling right into the detox season and setting the new goals for next year. So it's almost here, so let's get ready for it right now. Just a couple things. People had questions in the office. They were saying, what do I do when I go out to eat? How do I stay healthy there? And I guess when it comes down to it, there's really two ways, right? If you're really trying to stay on track and, you're really not too savvy with the language on the menus and all that stuff, look out for, something that's sauteed or baked or fried or deep fried, anything like that. So really you can stick to protein in a vegetable, something like a steak, piece of salmon, roasted chicken, something like that. That's, for the most part pretty healthy. And a lot of times they're, having a seasonal vegetable, some rice, whatever it is, right? Or you can just enjoy the meal, right? Enjoy a good meal out with friends, family, whoever you're with. Just enjoy it, right? I mean, if you're going out to eat, right, that means you want to be sociable. That means you want to have a good time and enjoy the meal, right? Get back on track the next day, right? No one's saying you have to be perfect every single day, but you can make healthy choices along the way, right? If you like to have a dessert, right, have a healthier meal. If you don't like to have a dessert, well, indulge in something that's maybe a little bit on the unhealthier side. So really only two ways you can do it, right? You can protein, vegetable, or just enjoy the damn meal. So hopefully this helps, guys. Keep up with the great questions. I'll keep posting these videos whenever I get a good question in the office. Have a great Monday, everybody.